saying, oh, we like Gachagua anajua kupiga Ruto. Tunapendea hiyo kazi kwa sababu hiyo ndio nataka afanye. I want to tell you here, just like it was not possible before, Gachagua will run.
Yes. He will run for president.
If he runs, not if he runs. And when he runs, then the other reading lights will have to ask themselves where they will be. Kalonzo ajiuliza atakuwa wapi? Matiang'i atajiuliza atakuwa
wapi?
And I can tell you that I woke up a little earlier than I do all. Than usual. I was awake by 2 a.m.
Okay.
And this thing went through my mind, and I see us back to where we were 2022, where and this is very important for the Gen Zs, the millennials who want to join politics.
Yeah.
Politics is our kind of politics will only benefit from the people who are very clear in what they want. In the whole of this game,
yes,
including now even leader Mwananchi thing, the person who seems to have a clarity of mind as what he wants out of this whole equation, is Gachagua.
Okay.
Gachagua wants to build a very strong political party called DCP.
Yes.
He wants X number of members of parliament. He wants to control, he wants to control government from parliament. People admire that clarity of mind, and they then are taken away from you by the determination to achieve that which is clear to him, whether you like it or